Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Zips, and welcome back to Monster Train 2. Get in, nerds. We're going on a ride. Monster Train ride. You didn't see it, but I, took a big gulp of water there. Anyway, today it is Tethys. This last time was a cool little Woken run. I need to check what video do I currently have up on YouTube? Or what was my last video I put on YouTube after? Okay, it was the Imps run. The last video the most recent video as of this recording is the Imps video. So, yeah, drowning in Imps is the title of the video. And let's get started. So we either have to do Banish, Pyroborn, or Umbra. I'm looking at... God. One day I should get a face cam so you can see my fucking dumbass reactions. My dumbass facial expressions. Umbra, you say? Pyroborn is also just quite good. Let's do Umbra, and then let's get angry. I'll play with Plink today, because in theory, maybe this clan kind of likes stuff Plink can do. In theory, I guess. Oh, wait, maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah, it will be fine. We'll be fine. Alright, we are fighting Dominion today with Rich. I want to fight... I want to fight the new... Yeah, I want to fight the new dudes. Alright, we are fighting Dominion today with Flesh Weaver and Styx and Hollow. We have Fire Screed as our starting relic. As our starting relic, with Cuddlehex, Making of a Morsel, and ICC Cephalophyte. We concluded the other day, last time, that it was Ice. Yo! Deployable Cuddlehexes! Let's fucking go! Oh, it's OP! Holy goddamn, deployable Cuddlehexes. Stand back! I'll take Chillwind. Stand back! This run's about to go insane. Holy. GG. I see Cephalophyte only has 20 HP. That hopefully will be fine. I don't want to play these units. Ah, fuck. Wait, no. Okay, Plank can still do stuff. Plank can still cook. Tell you what. Oh, wait, yeah. I need to activate these dudes' effect. The effect of these guys. Ah! Shameful. How utterly shameful. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, no, and I played the Shield Steward here. Why did I play the Shield Steward here? The Shield Steward actually, I think, makes this fight losing. Single-handedly. Oh, my god. Oh, wait, I'm playing fucking Fyra's Green Dog. Ugh. It's over. Wait, maybe I won't lose. Okay, this guy has 2 sap on him. Son of a bitch. Restart battle. I almost restarted the whole run, and that would have been really, really funny if I did that, but I don't want to do that because I kind of like this run. Also, it is legitimately bad to play these Cuddlexes, because then I don't have room for morsels. What am I doing, man? Oh my god, what am I oh no. Oh dear. Oh no, that's not a good sign. I'm messing up simple shit, man. Oh dear god. Alrighty, please take the Vengeful Shard damage. Oh god. Fucking Plink, man. Fucking Plink. Do I greed here and play these two dudes so I can get the collector? No, I don't think I can. Realistically, I don't think I can. Because I feel like I need these making of immortals to win this fight. Alright, we have much better HP this time. Alright, why did I click on Plink, man? Oh my god. Why did I click on Plink? What was he thinking? That 9 HP is really good. Hella nice. Tethys, you're not dead here, are you? Alright, no, we win. Thank God. Thank goodness. Tethys is able to do Tethys things. What a nightmare, man. Deployable mollusk mage? Cereal. A flash freeze is okay. A flash freeze is just fine. Yeah, sure. I'll take flash freeze. I don't hate perspective picking up Perils of Production here. I don't hate it. Generally ambivalent towards it. Umber units really don't have much of a place in this run. So we can head over here. Intrinsic, not what I'm looking for. I guess I would just be looking for something like holdover here. I probably want this Siren of the Sea. Yeah, I probably want this Siren of the Sea. Seems good. Seems like it could be fine. Smolder Stone doesn't do anything. I don't know why I'm thinking of Smolder Stone here. I think I will click on... Should I click on Holdover Perils of Production here? It's okay. It's fine. And it opens the door to click on the other Ember Drain stuff in this clan. It's fine. It does kind of suck that it takes up a draw, but it's a free card for incant plays with the Siren of the Sea. It's generally okay, I think. And I think I can click on this trial. I might play Metal Floor, though. So we can do something like... I definitely want Tethys. God damn it, Discord. God damn it, Discord. I always forget about streamer mode. I wish OBS would just turn on streamer mode automatically, man. I wish I didn't have to put up with this shit. Oh my god, wait, I can actually play these units now. That's a relief. I'm gonna put Cuddle Hex here to tank a hit. Plink is good. Ooh, and I can play a lot of morsels on this Siren floor. Oh wait, I can play Icy Coelophyte here. I forgot your one space. Oh my. Whew. I am not all the way there today. Dear me. Goodness gracious. I am truly... Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Wait, now this Cuddle Hex doesn't die. It's actually so over for me. It's so over for me, man. I am the worst one. I am calling this game by, I'm calling this game by different names, man. It's so Jover for us. Also, I'm not incanting my goddamn Siren. Oh my god. It's never been this over. Alright, there we go. I'm actually incanting the Siren. Oh my god, where are my incants at, buddy? All I have are Chimes of Despair. Oh my god, come on, man. Alright, that's all we needed to win. We just need a little bit extra. Woof! Well, all in all, it was a pretty okay fight. We got the trial and 100 gold out of it. No, we got the trial and the collector out of this. So it could be worse. I think I already have okay incanting at the moment, so I think I'll skip over an energy siphon. Space Prism is okay. It's a free incant, and I feel like we could maybe get use out of the space to play a couple more Making of Immortals. It's okay. I think it's fine. I think it's a fine consideration. We can head here. Anything cool here? Dualism in the shop. I don't think I'm doing Dualism Cult Kalia. That doesn't sound very... That doesn't sound particularly appealing to me. I'm probably gonna use this Icy Seal or Cephalophyte to frontline. So you can toss like a... Should I put... it's fine, I think. Interesting. I really wish I could get quick here. I really wish... Yeah, quick and multi-strike. This could be a pretty decent Siren build, I feel. I'll take it. I'll take the multi-strike here. I do really wish I could get that Speed Stone here. All right. I still have yet to have this event turn out bad for me. So graft a random equipment onto a unit. Gain a random graft unit now. Graft a random unit, hit me. We get Swift Steel Dagger. Yo, free quick? Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. Alrighty, it's incant time, baby. I'm calling it. Call it how you see it. Now, I am gonna need to find a way to deal with Dominion's backline in this fight, but we'll get to that. We'll get to it when we get to it. Fleshlings have 5/5 and apply 2 corruption on death to the unit that killed it. Oh, that might be really bad for Tethys. What floor am I setting up here? I feel like I don't want to set up top floor against this guy. I'll set up bottom floor. Hopefully it'll be fine. I do like having your little sweep. It's quite nice. I mean, that does just, like... We are just kind of destroying this guy here. I am able to, like, just get his... his mass down. I forgot what the stat was called. We are able to just... Wait! Did the morsel have deployable? That's pretty goofy if it did. That's pretty badass if it did. Hello there. Oh, that's my Icy Cephalophyte dying. Oh, that's still my Icy Cephalophyte dying. Generally rather tricky. I need to use one up here or else I take damage. I think my best chance is using this, and I live at 1. Not ideal. But we are scaling, and my Tethys is fucked. Eek. Well, that's not a good thing. I kind of needed Tethys here, man. You think the Siren with 4 Corruption on her can pull through? Guys, I don't think... Damn. What a rough fight for us. I do have... Oh my god, I just, like, I can't really... Eek. Man. This guy actually survives his hit and saves me a little bit of HP. By any chance you have these? No, you don't. You're kind of close, though. Is it possible I could get anything else? No, I don't think so. Restart battle. I need Tethys to not die. Generally. Maybe I can set up middle floor. Maybe we can do something like this, because I feel like I really want Icy Cephalophyte to be able to kill these backline units. So maybe we can set up something like this. You can put the Cuddle Hexes up here, and I'll set up on the middle floor. And just play like... Let's play like you. Okay. And then, like, I don't have to worry about the miscreants for too much. I do admittedly really like just, blasting away the mass on this guy. This is generally looking quite a bit better. Both of these guys are dying, which is a good thing. Get 1 extra. See, it's really tough to not get, like, corrupted here by this bozo. I'm not getting corrupted here. I think I did something correct. Oh, but then this floor is gonna mess me up. Weird. How strange. I guess I just incant up here. Oh, but no, I can't really play this plank up here because I can't proc Flesh Weaver right now. So I guess I just take this damage. So I get $20. Yeah, very unfortunate amount of corruption. However, great time to draw, a phenomenal time to draw 3 Frozen Lances here. Later, quite possibly the best time that somebody could have drawn 3 Frozen Lances in the history of mankind. I need to play this. Okay. I wanted to kill this guy, but it doesn't seem doable. Alright, I generally feel like you're looking a lot stronger here, and you're down to 7 attack. So even though our own HP isn't looking the best, I think we should have this. 66 HP is still just, like, not too bad. Take the damage so you can get the 1 HP here. And I think I'm probably taking card draw here because I would love to get Conduit Tethys. Furnace Tap, you say? We do indeed have the Perils of Production. Seems like a good plan to me. Titan Sentry is just generally a pretty good unit, especially to Dominion, actually. Yeah, I'm definitely clicking this. Yes, please. Yes, please, and thank you. Give me that Titan Sentry. Alright, and I'm definitely heading over here, and I'm probably gonna pick up 2 Sirens. Energy down. You could do it on Furnace Tap, perhaps. I don't hate it. I don't hate doing it on Furnace Tap because this thing is a tad difficult to play. Spell Chain. Yo, remove Consume? Now there's an idea. Let's slam a Spell Chain on this and then get Remove Consume Furnace Tap. And then you got some curious. Okay. Hold on. Hold the phone. What if instead of getting another Siren, you get a second Furnace Tap? Sounds kind of fun. You know, maybe it's just better to apply. Also, I don't. Unfortunately, I did not get Conduit Tethys here, which does really suck. Makes the idea of playing 2 Sirens a little bit less appealing to me. You know, what if we did solo carry Tethys? Does this suck? Is this garbage? Cause I can cause we can like Furnace Tap the shit out of this Tethys. This doesn't sound very good, but it sounds really funny. This sounds exceptionally funny. I'm in. I'm in. Let's fucking do this shit, man. Lock in. Non-boss enemies. Go. I ain't afraid. I ain't afraid. Bring it on. I gotta sit up top floor here, which is like a big blessing. Okay, the plan is probably Siren Shark. Very happy. I'm very thankful that I clicked on this, You know what? Clicking that lets me draw through my deck quicker. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. This seems a tiny bit silly. Oh my god, this Zealot is going to blast me. This Zealot is about to blast my ass. Oh my god, what am I doing here? I'm doing fucking solo carry Tethys, man. Holy. Has he lost his mind? I think he may have lost his mind. So now we have to find like Quick Steel Dagger. And then we can get this. Hey, can I? Wait, I can get this Siren to die to get Quick Steel Dagger. Oh. Because it's a graft unit. It's all coming together now, isn't it? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, my shark is dead. Goodbye, shark. Goodbye, shark. Shark lives! For probably just this one turn. Where's my goddamn Ember? Where the fuck is the card that I clicked on that gives me a multi-strike? Where the hell is it? I'm looking for it. There it is. Thank you. Oh my god. I have... Look, stand back. Tethys is angry. You have anger, Tethys. Tethys is hitting 4 times. Go get him, Tethys. Go get him, girl. Pop off, queen. Deployable Guardian Stone! No thanks. I don't think I want I don't think I want a Blazing Bolt. At this point, I just want to work on, like, my survivability. Because, that's a Dominion I see. I'm probably going here. Wait, really? Am I? I don't know if I am going here, but then there's like Pyre HP here too, and then I can just keep stacking on. I can just keep duplicating this, this here. These here furnace taps. Card removal is also really good. What spells am I needing to upgrade here? That's a good question. That's a great question. I don't think I have any. Fight Club is not the worst card in the world. It's just kind of though. Void Fragment. This is, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 removals. It's like pretty good. I'm gonna just spend. I have a lot of money, so I might as well spend. Might as well. So I have been clicking on these trials like a damn fiend. Alrighty. 3 copies of Furnace Tap. Lock in. Lock the fuck in! We're turning this Tethys. We're turning this damn Tethys into Eel Gorgon. Now you see Eel Gorgon. Now you see Tethys. Oh, what a hand, ladies and gentlemen. If this is not the hand of pure perfection, I don't know what is. I don't know what is, man. This is just the hand of pure, unadulterated testosterone. Oh, dear Lord. I really wish this Tethys had quick. If only there was a unit I could, like, kill. Alrighty, hold on. Plink. Pop off. Plink did not pop off. Plink did indeed not pop off. Oh my god. And, like, every time Tethys attacks, she's applying the ever nice frostbite to the enemies. Basically, this run, whack, goofy. This run, whack. His shoes, her little conch staff thing, whack. Her furnace tap, whack. She has 6 multi-strike, man. Oh my god. Stand back. Tethys has a gun, and she is afraid to use it. Sorry, Titan Sentry. I really do need to find an upgrade for this Titan Sentry at some point. I need to find some way that I'm not dying. It's kind of difficult to come by. How am I gonna make Tethys not die here in this run? I need days. Oh my god. I need a Frenzied Swarm. Gulp. 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 Descend all units. No. 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 I don't know if that could be my... Maybe I should have just clicked on it, though, because, like, maybe there's a world, a delusional world, where that can be your counter to... where it can be, like, your buffer against Dominion. So, HP here is really valuable. I think I'm just gonna go HP here. Frost Piercer? That sure sounds like a lot of win more to me. No. Actually, you know what? Maybe Overgrowth Carapace is what I need here. No, because I can't get Smidge Stone on Teth. No, that's stupid. No, that's probably really dumb. Might still click on it, though. Because at minimum, it's like... I play only Shark on the floor, or Titan Sentry on the floor, and it's at minimum. It's like... It's pretty meh. I don't know how I feel about this. Alrighty. Strix and Hollow. Let's lock in. Dun, 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 dun. You know what my plan against Dominion probably is? Now thinking about it, is probably just play Siren of the Sea instead of Tethys. That's probably the plan. We'll still set up like this, though. Beautiful, beautiful starting hand. I've received everything that I needed to. Oh, no. Uh-oh. That's a dead shark right there. Gulp. Okay. I need to rethink this. I need to rethink this setup. So... what I can do instead is I think we need to start sending the Siren away. We'll set up on this middle floor. And just play the rest of these guys. I need to start sending the Siren away. So I can get quick here. Oh, but it's fucking a fight with these assholes. God damn it. Son of a bitch, man. Well, it's not... Shark's not dead yet. And now I have the Swift Steel Dagger. Also, you're gonna eat, like, a fucking... whoa. You're gonna eat a billion Frostbite here. Worth putting this down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Gulp. No. Easy fix. Play the morsel. Easy peasy fix. Oh yeah, I forgot Tethys had an ability that I actually just should be clicking because it cycles through the deck quicker. Okay, there's the Overgrowth Carapace. Is actually going to be really, really good for us here. Please, please. How the fuck are you? Are you serious, Tethys? You're not killing here? Oh my god. Tethys! What the fuck? You're supposed to be killing here. God damn it, man. Oh, and I can't do this either. I just have to let the fucking shark die. Eh. This Styx is about to walk up onto this floor and smash my head into the ground. Wait, I lose quick! Fuck! What was he thinking? What was he thinking? Wait, no. Redo it one more time, because I might actually be able to come up with a better setup here. It's this. Okay, there we go. Now my shark is not dying, and I can give my shark overgrowth carapace. Because why not? Might as well. Oh, God. Oh. A shark? He's right behind my shark. Shark is not living those. Leap! Do you think Tethys can pull through? I sure can I sure can stack a lot of a lot of fucking stuff on this Tethys here, can I? Sure is a lot of multi-strike you have. Guys? Fuck me. Wait, I get so fucked, Hollow. Oh, get so fucked. Absolutely gaffed by Tethys, man. Holy. Unbelievably owned. By God. Tethys is the best unit in Monster Train 2, man. Holy. Just give Tethys. That's so fucking stupid, man. That's so goddamn dumb. All of this kind of big bungus. Big bungus booty. So there's like no real point on clicking on energy in this run. So am I clicking on space? Maybe. There's a chance. It's not that bad to click on space here. It could just be card draw again. Yeah, no, it's probably card draw again because we lose this. We're put in a losing position when I don't draw my when I don't draw my thing early. When I don't draw I have five. I have four furnace taps in this deck, man. Oh my. Okay. What are we doing here? What the fuck am I doing? God, I don't know. Maybe another spell upgrade? I don't know, maybe. Maybe I try to look for an equipment that could help me here. More HP is good, and you could potentially find something good in this, this alcove here. The Celestial Alcove. This also isn't that bad. I'm going here. I want the HP. I'm funny. I'm hilarious. I just made this deck worse. I know it. I know it in my heart. I just made this deck worse. I can feel it. I can feel just somehow I made this deck worse. No, I know why I made this deck worse. Because I added this card into my... Because I added the fucking... Wait, where is it? Because I added the entropic crystal in... Or entropic crystals into my deck. And it interacts really weirdly with Ember Drain. I've played these games before. Pick Chillwind, please. Gulp! Gulp! Guys, I think I'm just gonna have to eat this damage like a bitch. I think I'm just gonna have to eat the amalgam damage like a bitch. Because I need a setup on this. Because I need to set up on a... No, wait, actually, I don't think I have to eat this damage like a I don't think I have to eat this damage like a complete bitch. Because I can do something like this, and Tethys does actually have enough HP. No, not there. So I just need the Siren to die as quickly as possible. Then play the rest of your crap. Oh wait, yeah, Perils. I was like, oh no, I didn't drop Perils here. Fuck. My Siren is not dying here. That's... Do I have any way to kill the Siren myself? No. Oh, no, not really. Shit, man. Yeah, I can't do this fight. Yeah, it's because the Siren keeps herself alive. Ugh. Shit. I need this Siren to die, but it's so hard to get the Siren to actually die. It's so hard to get the Siren to die and be able to play it on a lower floor. And honestly, man, I just don't think I just don't think I have the ability to. Honestly, man. It really sucks. Maybe I can have the ability. Let's see this here. Let's analyze this. So you play like this. So I can play, I'm pretty sure, one Furnace Tap down here, and she does still die. I just can't play the other two, which really fucking stinks. Just get this out of the deck. But if you play like this, it's possibly doable. It's just really ugly because these guys are still Frostbite. We're probably fine here. Fine from here on out. All right, yeah, I think you just had to. I think we figured it out. Yeah. All right, the rest of this fight should be fairly explanatory. I said it's fairly explanatory. I'm still taking a little bit here. Yo, you see this? You see this goddamn Cuddle Hex up here? Oh my god, I made a monster. Oh god. Also, 3 multi-strike, anyone? Oh. Oh, we're gonna oh. Dominion is gonna eat our butt out. Dominion is gonna eat us out tonight. There's not a lot I can do about it. It's really, really funny. It is really, really, really funny to watch Tethys just blast these guys. Goodbye. Wow. No Frenzied Swarm for me. That's... Gulp. Maybe this grovel is what I need. It's pretty desperate, man. It's pretty fucking desperate. But at this point, I'm a desperate man. In desperate times. Calling for desperate measures. Just get rid of a plank. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Removal and getting upgrades on my shark are probably the ways you want to go about this. I'm down to settle for Titanite here. You could also just play Icy Cephalophyte instead. Yeah, this is card removal, so yeah, get rid of this crap. Get rid of it. Cleansing water, no. I don't think grovel is really gonna be enough. Even if I dupe it. So I think what the better idea is just to get another Furnace Tap. And what you probably say here is that you're probably saying that you're probably saying it's Titanite on Icy Cephalophyte. So the Icy Cephalophyte has an easier time surviving against Dominion. I just need her for this one fight. Also, eek. I guess I'll do Large Stone here. Oh, this doesn't mess me up too badly. Okay. Because Tethys just dies too quickly. You Icy Cephalophyte, at least have Incant Armor 2. Now, unfortunately, your damage output is gonna be significantly worse. By a large margin, it is worse. But we just need to survive against Dominion here long enough. This fight's probably gonna take me a couple attempts. Sorry, Tethys, but I think it's gotta be... Shit, and I finally have drawn badly. Click this, just so you're getting the card out. You're getting a card out of your deck. I can't play Furnace Tap yet. I can't play Furnace Tap yet. Oh, I should be playing the spells though, so I'm like getting that armor. Okay. My shark is dead. That is not good. That is extremely, extremely bad news. Extremely awful news that your shark is dead. Oh wait, no, okay, shark lives one more turn. I can't play Perils of Production here, so really all I have to keep this Icy Cephalophyte alive is I'm not killing this Avowed Gladiator. Oh, it's so rough. Honestly, I kind of like having this morsel in the deck. I'm not even going to lie to you. And play these, play those just so you're getting every little bit of incanting you can. Hello there. Okay, I drew the one chump block that I needed. And it's only 4 corruption you're eating here. That's good news. Oh my god, wait, even with this much, okay, but I know, I continue to scale. I do, in fact, continue to scale, although the corruption is still, speaking of scaling, the corruption on ourselves. Eek. Eek. Ouch. Okay, that wasn't too bad. So boom. Boom. Boom me. I got all of these morsels I can play. And it's looking like I get to chump block with this one morsel. And then we let the rest of these morsels boost up our Cephalophyte. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, poor Seraph. That didn't look very fun. Okay, I think we're good here. I think we should should live from here. We should win this. And we do! Lovely work, everybody. Alright, we got past Dominion. Now it's time to destroy the Titans. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure I hope I destroy the Titans. Oh, my lack of survivability might actually, like, cause some problems. Also, that guy had 76 melee weakness on him. I just want to, like, let that sink in. Let that sink in! Alright. I think I played that correctly. I think I played that good enough. Get this. I can't believe this run has been won because of Graft Swiftsteel Dagger, man. What a crazy hit. Get you down. We will naturally be scaling Tethys again, because having a big Tethys is way funnier. And therefore required. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful starting hand. That's what I'm talking about. The sap will be a bit annoying. Shouldn't be too bad. Got the Swiftsteel Dagger in play. That guy has 156 frostbite on him. Also, shit, I can't play morsels on this floor. Oops. Who did that? Who made it so that was the case? That's actually, like, such a big mistake. Not being able to chump block with morsels in this run actually really sucks. Yeah, that's my bad. Where's my thing? I can chump block this turn. Which is good, I guess. And our Tethys is up to 10 multi-strike. Ouch. Ouch. That's not fun. But maybe I just win this fight through sheer frostbitage. So you're just applying, yeah, that much frostbite. I don't think I don't know if Tethys is. Oh, Tethys lives here a decent little amount. Tethys living. Oh my god, my only unit I have is Tethys. It's actually a dream come true for myself. My only unit on my train is fucking Tethys. What a dream come true, man. And now Tethys is about to fucking die. Well, let me take a screenshot of this Tethys while I have the time. Yeah, you know what, the thumbnail's probably just gonna be 2 copies of Furnace Tab. What a run, man. What a wacky, silly, and goofy little run we have here. Oh! No, wait, I just realized something. Hold on. I need to make morsels here. Because I need units to play Ember Drain on. Oh, that's kind of weird. That's kind of goofy. Goodbye, Tethys. You get what? One last hurrah. Goodbye, my friend. Oh, wait. Yeah, never mind. I didn't, never mind. Yeah, I forgot how the mechanics of Ember Drain worked. Never mind, we're good. Because I thought I needed a unit to put Ember Drain on in order to be able to have energy, but no, I forgot the mechanics of Ember Drain. Tethys died, so I don't need, so I get my energy back. Alright, GG's. Very silly little run there. The a billion multi-strike Tethys. Who could have seen that one coming? Boy, I know I sure didn't. Not something you see every day. And see, Umbra Stygian was a good idea. It was the best idea. And you know what? I think I finished just in the nick of time because I see my friends getting on online friends getting on peaks, and I want to go join them. So that's gonna do it for this episode of Monster Train 2. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. And all of you out there, have a nice day.